The vehicle stability control system in your Toyota Highlander is a critical safety feature designed to help maintain traction and prevent dangerous skidding situations. VSC works by automatically applying brakes to individual wheels and reducing engine power when it detects that your vehicle is beginning to lose control. Here's how it prevents dangerous understeer situations. When the VSC light illuminates on your dashboard, it indicates a potential issue with this important safety system that requires your attention. Based on recent analysis, there are 5 main causes of VSC light activation. Low tire pressure accounts for 35% of cases, making it the most common trigger. These sensors throughout your Highlander work together to monitor vehicle stability. The wheel speed sensors and steering angle sensor are particularly important components. Now let's learn the standard reset procedure. First, ensure your Highlander is parked on level ground for safety and accuracy. Next, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This powers up the vehicle's electrical systems while keeping the engine off. Now locate and press the VSC button, holding it for 3 to 5 seconds until the VSC off light appears on your dashboard. Finally, press the VSC button again to reactivate the system. Then start your engine and test to see if the VSC light has cleared successfully. This standard reset procedure is successful in approximately 68% of VSC light cases. If the light persists after this reset, more advanced diagnostic methods may be required. When the standard VSC reset doesn't work, more advanced methods are needed to clear the system's memory and recalibrate the sensors. The most effective advanced reset involves disconnecting the negative battery terminal for exactly 15 minutes. This completely clears the VSC system's memory. After reconnecting the battery, start the engine and let it idle for 5 minutes. This allows the system to initialize and begin sensor recalibration. Modern Highlanders from 2020 and newer have significantly more sensitive VSC systems. These integrate with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, making them more prone to false triggers from environmental factors. According to a 2024 ASE Master Technician Survey, 78% of technicians report increased VSC-related service calls, and 84% recommend professional diagnosis for persistent warning lights. If the VSC light persists after trying these reset methods, especially on newer models, it indicates a deeper issue requiring professional diagnosis. This could involve faulty sensors, wiring problems, or integration issues with other safety systems. Ignoring a persistent VSC light could compromise your vehicle's safety systems. The VSC works with critical safety features like collision avoidance and stability control. Professional diagnosis ensures all systems work together properly to keep you safe.